We have a lot of new Jeep content coming to the channel here pretty soon, and since I don't have a ton of experience with working on Jeeps, my boss decided to give me our 18 Jeep Wrangler to go ahead and mess around with, so let's go ahead, jump into it, and start on today's build. So this is our 2018 Jeep, and at the moment it's completely stock, but hopefully over time that will change. We're gonna go into the shop here, check it out, and get started on some modifications. Oh, what the hell is this? Well, I thought I was working on an 18 Jeep Wrangler, but looks like I'm working on a kid's model 04 Wrangler. Apparently a 5-year-old can put this together in about 30 minutes, so I guess we're gonna see how long it takes for me to put this together with not a lot of Jeep experience. So let's go ahead and jump into today's build. Well, that's the last piece of the puzzle of putting this Jeep together. Hopefully in the next video I can actually work on a real Jeep to bring you guys some more exciting content. But it's time to drop gear and disappear. I'll see you guys in the next one.